This looks real. Yeah, that's real.
Okay, wait.
That's a mama. Okay.
It's very complicated for women to carry all.
What are you doing to that baby?
Come on!
Looks like a ritual.
Yes.
What are they making? What are they summoning? What are we getting? Okay.
She's still pregnant.
She's still pregnant.
Oh, what
Wait.
is that baby was?
That was a preparation baby.
This was preparation.
That was to see if she could saw around it. Just as training.
Yes. Oh, now I can
Now-
do it for
yeah.
real.
Now she knows. You have to do things like that before you have a baby, otherwise it's risky business. But now she's trained, so she can do it whenever she wants. Okay.
If future moms watching us, you know what to do.
You know we're kidding, probably, I hope.
Yes,
Is anyone a future mom in the comments? Let us know.
Let us know.
Let us know.
Congratulations, by the way.
Of course. Wait, glue. Now we're rubbing the glue all over this. What are we making? It looks like we're making some type of crib for a child. An infant being.
I don't know. It's well.
I don't
it
remember
all
mine.
looks like it's just a mold. This round thing is just for getting this shape.
True,
you know,
true.
because to put this clump around, and here we go. Yeah.
Because that's not for the baby, that's for you. You know, as long as it's comfortable, the baby doesn't care what it looks like, right?
For sure.
So like, another thing that's weird is like, I don't remember what my crib or my bedroom looked like when I was a child.
Yes.
But the parents put in a lot of effort into making it look a certain way.
So what do you want to say to us?
What
That
I'm
it
saying,
should be ugly?
what
or
I'm
what?
saying is that if you don't want to like go to the trouble of painting something and it's like a lot of effort, the baby's not going to remember anyway.
But what I'm gonna not agree. Just
Really?
imagine that's the room, all of your room in your childhood was really bad painting. It's kind
I don't
of
remember.
dirty or
Maybe it
some-
was.
Wait, I mean, if it's nice, you're not remembering this because it was nice, regular something.
Nah.
It was worse. It will be trauma.
Maybe, maybe.
You're like, I was burned in this.
They
hell,
put me in
I
a
don't know.
gray room.
Yes.
I
What do
don't
you
know.
think, guys?
Yeah, let us know down below. Maybe I have
With
a
whom you
controversial
agree,
take there.
yeah, with me or with the plane? Sorry? Yes? Yeah. I thought I did.
You thought you messed something up?
Yeah.
No, it's all good. Okay, so we have a bunny in there. Oh, it's like a. That's a pretty cool one.
Wow, it's actually nice. I like that it's like a round thing.
It's a little
and
high up
like-
though. That's the only
Yes, yes, and the level here is too
Of the
small.
fence, yeah.
Yeah. Or you will put a baby under
Yeah.
this thing, like
thing. Like a cage.
go to the jail.
Oh my gosh.
I don't know. You know.
Yeah, that was way too high. Let's see. Let's flip it around. What are they gonna do with it now?
So is it gonna be some kind of transformer or?
It looks like a transformer a little bit. Yeah.
So that a bit confused. Like.
I'm confused. I have no idea what's. Oh, that's it. See, that's what I'm talking about.
That.
Diapers
Yeah.
for granddad, not for the baby.
So,
Wow, so this is
you
when
can get a sofa or something.
This is
or-
when the baby. They're planning for the future. Their whole baby's future. They're like, when he turns 12, this is what's gonna happen to the bed. It's gonna turn. It's gonna go from a crib to a bigger bed. It's gonna be really nice. Yeah, I don't know.
Now we just can flip it over and now.
That's nice. It's cool.
Yeah, very nice. Very nice. I guess they can make it somehow for the baby in high school.
Look at how. Yeah, exactly. Look how these 5-minute crafters making babies and stuff. Wow. Oh my gosh.
Honestly, I love it.
All right.
Okay. Oh, it's a nice hand.
These are all pregnancy hacks. It looks
Oh,
like.
yes.
Make your life easier when you're pregnant. Why is your belly
Yeah.
a different color? I'm not gonna judge, but like, I just don't know.
It's just a demonstration.
Just a demonstration. Okay.
Yes. Sometimes people or creators use such a hint.
Ah, okay, okay.
This baby.
That's a lot of weight, you know,
Yeah.
to have in one place.
I know. One of the hacks for family that has them can go around and just lift it up. This is really relying or
Like it takes off the pain.
the weight
Okay.
and so if you future father, just do it and you're
Any future papas or mamas in the chat, tell us your secrets.
yes. Oh, see,
See, he did it.
That's
He
what
did
I
it.
was telling think about?
That's a good papa.
Yes, he's good.
Okay.
Oh, zip for shaving.
Ah.
That
I don't
looks
trust that.
painful
I don't even
for
trust
some
my
reason.
hands steady enough to do that, you know?
It's yeah, you can cut it easily. So wait,
What are we doing here?
Uh,
It's literally like this much longer.
I'm not gonna lie. This dumb.
This is a dumb idea.
Yeah,
Whoa, what is this idea? This also looks pretty interesting. Why is that necessary? I don't know.
Me neither.
Oh my gosh, my chest is turning red. What do I do? Freeze
it's just
my
a
bra.
thing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you just need to freeze the bra.
My bra is no longer red. Okay. Before, after.
I mean, not especially for the pregnant people, but just for you.
Yep.
For pregnant men.
For pregnant men, if you're feeling fashionable.
Yes. So okay. Again. This fitness ball really useful thing when you are pregnant.
Yeah.
There is a lot of fats around it.
Okay, so we have our shirt.
Okay, double short.
Double shirt. What a
Yeah.
smell. Smells so bad. Blech. So, yeah, my sister, when she was pregnant, was telling me about all the different types of weird cravings for food she had. She was like,
Yeah.
one day, I just ate pickles. She's like, I
Okay.
didn't eat anything else. I just ate pickles. I was like, okay, that's
Yeah.
fine. That's really weird, but okay.
It's actually the fine thing for ladies.
Marks, okay, stretch marks. I ruined that shirt a little bit, but it's okay.
Okay, so we just destroyed this thing. Okay, so wait a minute. Just need to lubricate it and.
Down, okay.
Okay.
Very nice.
Oh. Wow.
Get out of bed. Give me my pillow. Give me my pillow, Fortress.
Being pregnant, it's very complicated.
Yes.
But lady, we appreciate it. You can do it,
Yeah.
and well.
Your husband better show you some appreciation, or your partner,
Yeah.
your whatever, better show you some appreciation when you're in that place.
Yeah.
Because that's tough.
If you want a watermelon at the end of the night or in the middle of the night.
If you feel like eating.
So,
So it's just about the posture, I think. So
chair.
to make sure you don't like bend over a lot.
Wow, what an interesting chair she has. Like, seriously?
Okay. Okay. I don't think that's gonna hold very well for very long.
I think you can rip it.
Yeah, I think so as well. Suspenders, okay.
So why?
Unnecessary.
If you can reach
It's like
shorts
this much. That's the difference.
to make this clump,
Sometimes this is the only difference you need.
Okay. Wow.
Right, lady? All right, so we have a shoe. And now we have, that looks so ugly.
I'm speechless after your last comment.
What? I don't even know what you're talking about.
That's
I don't even
nothing.
know what you're talking about.
Oh, that's kind of smart, I guess.
That's pretty good, pretty good.
But I say no, not all the ladies can do decorative and
Yeah, that's
with
true,
brush,
that's true.
With this side.
Are you dissing the ladies? What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing? They can't do what? There's nothing ladies can't do.
No, there is some. Me neither. Like nobody.
Okay, so now we have a basketball, it looks like. This is a future NBA star. Wow, that's funny. Urge to throw things into.
That's true.
So be careful with your baby.
So you need the additional sign here.
Don't throw anything at me.
Yeah.
And then a sign over here like, hey, if you
Get
can't
outta
read
here.
that far, yeah, why are you looking here? Go away. Okay, we got
It's-
pants hacks. There we go.
Okay, you just. But what
Fold
if
it up.
they will?
Too bad.
Too bad.
Okay, we got our baby, so we need to lay down like that.
Okay, yeah, you need to space for it.
Oh, my lower back hurts. What am I gonna do?
I
I've heard that's good actually for pregnant ladies to sit on that.
thought I heard that it's good for anyone else.
Yeah, it's
You shouldn't be pregnant to sit on this. Yeah.
If you want one of those, you gotta get pregnant first. It's not true. It's not true, but It's fine.
I didn't hear what you
I said if
said.
you want to sit on one of those balls, you have to get pregnant first.
So wait, they just froze the marbles.
Orbeez marbles.
It looks like a marbles.
Mm.
Okay, it's for your chest to put it down.
Nice.
Okay.
My shirt doesn't fit, so what do?
I'll
Double
use
shirt
another.
it up. That's kind of a cool color combination. I like it.
I saw it such a hack while ago, and I really like it. I don't know.
It's a goofy
kinda-
hack, but it's
yeah.
nice.